Yeah, by joining the lows, you can make a rounded top pattern. You have to look for this a breakdown of this trend line. Okay, it is very simple. If you in the live market, if you draw these pattern, na, you will definitely find out these rounded top. Let me search if I see any pattern in the Nifty rounded top and rounded bottom. So, okay. Generally, you will find these pattern in the in your stock. Okay, in the portfolio. Okay, so I hope is it clear, right? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now rounded top and rounded bottom. After that, there is a flag and pole pattern. It's a very famous pattern. Okay, so flag and pole pattern. All are these a classic chart pattern. And remember, flag and pole patterns are the continuation pattern, not a reversal. We have seen the reversal pattern. See, this is again a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Bottom reversal, this is a reversal. Top reversal, this is also a reversal. Head and shoulder are also reversal. Now this is a continuation pattern, flag and pole. Continuation means what will happen? See, your stock is going up and up sharply. It is the price has increased. Okay, now after reaching at some point, what is happening? It is forming some parallel type channel. Okay, like this, if you are seeing any parallel channel na, okay, if you are seeing your stock is ज्यादा नीचे भी नहीं जा रहा है, ज्यादा ऊपर भी नहीं जा रहा, so your it has sharply increased. Okay, sudden एक increase आया, उसके बाद में एक parallel channel में trend करने लग गया like this. Okay, so it is not going up and it is neither going down. So this is a means this rally will continue after breakout. After breakout of this line, you have to search for the breakout. Okay, if you find the breakout at this area, so this sharp increase or this uptrend will continue same way it will continue, and the target will also be the same, this height. You can keep a target of this height after the breakout. Okay, so this is a this is a flag and pole. Okay, you see a sharp increase in the stock price after increasing is after reaching a certain level, your stock is consolidating in a parallel channel. Okay, this is consolidating in a parallel channel. So this will be a flag and pole pattern, and this is a continuation pattern. And let's say if it is consolidating in a like this, if it is consolidating in a pennant form, right? Okay, it is consolidating in a triangle. So this will be a pennant. This will be a flag and pole, or you can call it as a bullish flag. You can call it as a bullish, and you can also call it as a bullish, because bullish means again it will again it will go in the upper direction only, because this is a continuation, and this will be a pennant pattern. Okay, if it is consolidating in a triangle, what you will look for? You will look for the breakout. At this point, you will look for the breakout. This will be this is a like most famous pattern. If you find out this flag and pole pattern na, you can definitely take a trade. Any doubt?
No.
Yeah, if you have any kind of doubt na, you can feel free to ask me. So in the flag and pole pattern, let me search if I find out on the Nifty na. So let me go to Nifty. Okay, so if we are able to find these flag and pole pattern, let's search. So in flag and pole pattern, first condition is sharp increase in the price, means काफी कम दिन में एकदम से sharp rally आ गया, rally के बाद में rally consolidate हो रही है in a parallel channel or a triangle channel. So see uh, you can see somewhere. Okay, let's put it on the weekly chart. So see at this point now, I am able to see the flag and pole pattern. See, after Nifty, after when the Nifty crash, like it's in 2020, after 20, you see the sharp rally in the Nifty at this point. We have seen the sharp rally. See, at this point, 7,500 to at around 15,000. So after 15,000, if you see, there is a sharp consolidating in a, let me put, Okay, after you will see now there is a sharp consolidation, means there is a small consolidation, not big, but this is also your flag and pole pattern. Okay. So see, after that, your target will be like this height. You can keep a target of this height. Okay. So your target will be, you can just plot of the same height, and after the breakdown, breakdown will be this. This is your breakdown candle, and you can plot the same height. Okay. So this can be your target like this, according to the flag and pole pattern. Okay. And so same thing happen after this also. Again, Nifty went sharply in the up direction. Okay. So let me remove all these things. You have to just see the channel, parallel channel. Okay. Then again, if you see now, this is your flag. After that, this is your flag, and after flag also your Nifty start consolidating. Okay. In 18, nearby 18,000, you have seen this area. Okay. So let me put it with the trend line. Okay. So again, it start consolidating. See, uh, from say 14,000 to 18,600, and after in 2021 you have seen that this Nifty consolidate in the parallel channel. So after consolidating, you have seen that this after this line, this is your breakout. Okay, like this breakout can happen. Then again, your this height you can plot in the up direction. So you plot, if you plot this height also in up direction, you can get it a target. So main thing is that your sharp rally, and then there is a consolidation in parallel channel, or you can call it a parallel channel or triangular channel. Okay. This is not a some confusion is happen in the flag and pole pattern na? So this will not consider as a flag if your flag is like this. Okay. And you see a like this pattern. Okay. Up this pattern. Okay. This will not a flag. Okay. Don't consider it as a flag. Your flag has to be like this. Okay. Or like this. It is not, it can occur in the downward direction also. So we have seen the bullish flag now bearish flag are also there. The market is going down. Okay. In the downward direction. Now at this down, you see this consolidation. Okay. You see some consolidation. Your lows and your these are the lows, and these are the highs. You make a trend line, and now your this is your downtrend. Okay. After because this is a flag and pole pattern, we'll wait for the breakdown in the downtrend. We look for the breakdown, means your this trend line has to break down. Your your market is coming down, and at this point you observe the breakdown, and this bearish continuation, means this bearish or this downtrend will continue in the same direction. I hope is it clear. Okay. This you have to wait here at the breakdown at this point. So this downtrend will continue. Okay. This will be your downtrend, and your target will be same, this much. This will be your target. Okay. And same, if your consolidation is on in apart from the triangular, if your consolidation is in the triangle, this can be also a consolidate like this. If it consolidate like it, at this point also you will look for the breakdown, where the things can break down. This continuation, this downtrend will continue in the same direction. Okay. So I hope these patterns are clear. Flag and pole pattern, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If on the chart also, if we can see some bearish pattern, uh, because your market has to come down, then you will see a consolidation phase. Okay. So you can also consider it as a parallel channel. Okay. Like this, if you make it and the consolidation, your Nifty is consolidating in the parallel channel. If you make it channel like this, na, your Nifty is consolidating in the parallel channel. And if you draw a flag like this, na, so this will be a flag and pole pattern. Got it? Yeah. So there are the last pattern that I will discuss, the triangular pattern. triangular pattern are also in the market. Generally triangular are considered as a in decision making. You cannot take a decision in the triangular pattern, but still there are some triangular pattern you can take a decision. Triangular has to symmetric. If your triangular is symmetric now, you can take decision. So let me put those triangular in which you can take decision. Okay, so first triangular is your descending triangular. Okay, descending triangular means what will happen, uh, these are your lows. Let me put it first. Okay, these are your lows and these are your highs. Okay, and you see some pattern like this. Okay, I am putting at the line chart because I don't need a candlestick chart. Candle will need you only by making a trend line. Okay, so these are my trend line. How I will make this trend line? By joining the highs. How I will make this trend line? By joining the lows. Okay, so see, this is your triangular pattern. And if I ask you in the terms of lower low and equal high, so in this, if you see now, these are the equal lows, because lows are equal. Okay, you can consider it like this. Lows are equal and highs, what is happening with the highs? Highs are getting lower and lower. So high, equal lows and lower high. Firstly, we will call it as a lower high. So lower high equal low. This is a pattern name. Lower high equal low. High is getting lower and lower. And this is making a triangular. This is making a triangular. So at this point, what I will look for in this area? What I will look for? Breakout and breakdown, because this is coming down. Your stock is coming down and down, and you see this pattern. Okay, you see equal lows and high are getting down. So you will look for the breakdown at this area. And when this support, then when this equal lows has breakdown na, you will, at this point you will look for the breakdown. Okay, if it is a breakdown, so you can short. So this is a descending triangular pattern. And likewise there is a ascending triangular. In ascending triangular, what will happen? Equal high will getting equal, high will equal and lows will getting updated. Means it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Exactly, your highs will be equal. Okay, okay, this will be equal highs and lows. See the lows, lows are getting stronger and stronger each and every day. So this will be equal high and higher low, higher low, equal high, higher low. This will be your ascending triangular. And in this, what you will look for? You will look for the breakout. Breakout of which trend line? Breakout of this trend line. You will look for the breakout. At this point, if you find some green candle, so you can make a position and your target will be same. Your target will be this side. Okay, this will be your target. So these two triangular you can take decision. And other triangular, if you find these triangular na, if you find these triangular, okay, these triangular, what will happening? High is also getting down, higher low, and lows is getting updated, right? L1, L2, L3, higher low, higher means sorry, lower high, higher low. These are the indecision making. Means this triangular can blast in is this direction also. This can blast in this direction, upper direction also, and this lower direction also. We don't know. These are the indecision making. Okay, and these are the sideways pattern. I told you, apart from those two pattern, higher high, higher low, and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower, yeah, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. This is your uptrend. This is your downtrend. Apart from this pattern, all are the sideways. This is your sideways pattern. Okay, this will be this is your sideways pattern. Okay, this is also your sideways pattern. Sideways does not look means it is not like that. Only this is a sideways. Okay, this is a sideways. Yes, I know this is a sideways. In this, what is happening? Equal high and equal low, right? Highs are also equal and lows are also. This is a sideways. Okay, this is a sideways also. This is also a sideways. This is also a sideways pattern. Okay, so I hope you are able to see the all the classic chart pattern. We have covered around 16 pattern. Okay, so in triangular we covered two, then bullish and bearish four pattern we have covered here. Okay, got it. Any doubt? Yeah. So six around we have covered 16 classic chart pattern. Oh, one more pattern I forgot about, the cup and handle. This is also very important pattern. Cup and handle you will generally find in the stocks. Okay, so cup and handle is also a very famous pattern. In cup and handle, what will happen? See, this is a top reversal. Firstly, this is a top reversal pattern. Means your market is going up. Okay, your stock or market is going up and up and up, and at this area you see a pattern like this. Your cup, this like this. Your first is market, this put this tested some resistance. Okay, again it took some support as well, and second time when it is going up na, when it is going up, it is again testing the same resistance and it is coming down, but this support S2 is stronger than S1. Okay, so this will be your cup and handle type. Let me put it at here. Okay, see, so this is like this. Okay, at the, if at the top if you find this pattern na, like this. Okay, this is your S1, this is your S2, and at you draw a line at this point. This will be your trend line. Okay, and market is coming from the bottom. Okay, and at this point if you see breakout. Okay, S2 has to be stronger than S1, means this S1 and S2, see the difference of S1 and S2. Okay, S2 has to above than S1, but this line has to be your trend line, and you see the breakout at this point. So this will be your cup and handle pattern. Okay, and this will be your again, this continuation will occur after this cup and handle pattern. Okay, got it. This will occur at the topmost area. Understood cup and handle pattern formation. And if you see the shape also na, it will be looking like a cup. That's why the pattern name itself is a cup and handle. Okay, this is your handle. This is acting as a handle, and this is a cup. So handle has two above than the cup. It will occur at the topmost area. So we have covered around 16 classic chart pattern. Got it? So if you have any doubt, let me tell. Hello. Yeah. So any doubt, we can close this classic chart pattern topics. In the next class, we'll discuss about the multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll discuss about the technical indicator. And I will also tell you some things related to the market also, what you should do, what you should not do. Okay. So let me read your chat if you have. Yes. So let me read your chat if you have any doubt. Any intraday strategy for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty? Like I'll tell you about the technical analysis. So I'll tell you about the indicators. So you can apply those indicators in your trading and intraday also you can apply. Okay. So but apart from technical analysis and strategy, you have to work on the many things. Okay. So this is not an easy task if you are doing a trading or intraday also. You have to work on many things. Okay. Psychology and everything, position sizing, everything. Then you can start. Firstly, start with the paper trading. Okay, in the trading view platform you can do the paper trading. If you good at paper trading, then go for the real trading. Got it? So yeah, any other doubt related to today class related to this pattern, or we can close this class? Okay, so we are having 3 minutes more. You can discuss anything with me. I hope this classic chart pattern topic is clear to everyone. Try to identify these patterns uh, on the on your stocks or on Nifty. Okay, so simple. You can go on the trading view platform. It's free of cost. You can search any stocks at here and try to look for these patterns. Okay, so like I can tell you the rules of the technical analysis, but you have to implement those rules in your stocks. And these are the famous rule. Like these patterns are the classic pattern. That's why these are the famous pattern. You have to identify these patterns. Okay. So then you can take the decision. Sometimes you can go wrong also. It is not like that every time you will go wrong. So then you can put a stop loss. So but try to taste these patterns. They work really well. In my experience, if I told you, na, they work very well. But you have to know that this is your pattern or not. Sometimes you can draw the wrong pattern also, and try to draw these pattern with the volume. Then you will be able to understand. Got it? Yeah. So any doubt, or we can close. So yeah. So thank you everyone. If you have doubt, you
Thank
can ask
you.
me. Otherwise, you can like close the class. I will share you the recording and the notes also. So thank you everyone.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
joining. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Yeah.